Right, we are recording. Right. This is my ceiling light. A UFO type LED. And yes, look at that. It had smoke piling out of it. Ended up ripping it down from my ceiling. So, today I just thought we'd pull it apart and have a quick look. Because I've got no idea what's in them. I'm doing a couple of rows of LEDs maybe. Alright. Let's have a look. Oh. Pretty design. Not. Bit of a diffuser. Plastic cover. Not much to that at all, is there? No. Well, nothing seems to be blowing there. Might drill a hole. Put a plastic see-through picture on here of a car or something, and maybe even a nice big red dragon, and make it into a clock. Have the hands of a clock go around, because it's about the right size, isn't it? Right. The burn hole. Rexel. What have we got here? Oh yeah, nice wee switch. Obviously for lighting settings maybe. Or voltage. Not quite sure. If someone knows, please let me know. Put down in the comments. Or up there, down there, wherever they are. Right, have a quick look inside. Won't be very exciting, but we can always have a look before I turf it in the garbage. Right, Rexel LED ceiling light with a hole. Bit of a doozy, isn't it? Obviously got very hot. I'm lucky because I've got a smoke detector right beside my light in my room, so it lets me know, and boy, it let me know. Right, just a basic board, and these two, obviously some sort of induction coil resistor type things. Yeah, might be straight resistors. Not quite sure what they are. Someone's bound to know and put it down in the comments. But yeah, just wee circuit board. Obviously steps down the voltage and puts it out to the big row of LEDs. Obviously the yellow and orange, one's obviously brighter than the other, maybe. Very interesting. Just a big hunk of plastic. Right. No, won't go. We'll take all that apart. But yeah, there we go. And I'll just take you and show you my new light, which is, that's my UFO up on the ceiling.